Hello everybody, this is MK and I'm back, and today we are learning about Grade 8 Technology, Term 1, Unit 2. Our topic is types of forces acting on a frame structure. Let's go! Types of forces. Shear force. If the weight on a hook is too heavy, the hook will break. The hook will fail due to a shear force. A shear force pulls a material in different directions. It forces one part of a structure to slide over or past another part of the structure. When you cut paper with scissors, the blades break the paper. One blade forces the paper upwards, the other blade forces the paper downwards. Keywords: shear force. A force that slides one part of a structure past another part. Torsion force. The image here shows a bridge. You can see that the framework of the bridge is made up of many steel beams. Strong winds can cause these beams to twist. Torsion force. The image here shows one beam from the previous bridge. A torsion force is twisting one end of the beam in one direction and the other end in the opposite direction. I wanted to share a real-life steel bridge with you today, and this one is in Scotland. It's called the Forth Bridge. So whenever there's strong winds, torsion force will take place on this bridge. Let's look at the key words. Torsion force. A force that turns a member in two different directions. Tension force. The image here shows a man using a ladder to work. His weight puts pressure on the ladder. The arrow on the left on the picture shows a member keeping the ladder erect or upright. When the man is on the ladder, the member is in tension. A tension force has the effect of stretching a member. Key words: tension force. A force that pulls a member apart. Compression force. The image here shows a boy jumping using a pogo stick. There is a spring at the bottom end of the device. As the boy falls towards the ground, his weight gives the effect of the spring being squashed. In fact, the spring is being contracted. Just before the boy touches the ground, the compression force is released. The recoil of the spring pushes the boy back into the air. Key words: compression force. A force that pushes against a member. Let's recap what we've learned. Which picture below shows shear force? On the left, we have somebody using a knife cutting a cake. And on the right, we have scissors cutting paper. Yes, of course, it's both of the pictures. They both show shear force. Which picture below shows torsion force? On the left, we have material being twisted. And on the right, we have kids pulling rope. Which one do you think it is? Yes, it's the one on the left. It's the material being twisted. Which picture below shows tension force? We have this guy doing weightlifting on the left, and then we have two friends on the swing. Which one is tension? Think carefully. It's the one on the right. It's the friends on the swing. They're putting tension on the rope of the swing. And here's our last question. Which picture below shows compression force? We have two hands pulling from the fingertips on the left, and then on the right we have two hands pushing together. Which one is compression? Yes, it's the one on the right. It's the two hands pushing together. That shows compression. Thank you for watching and most importantly learning. This is MK's class, signing out.